Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 4 standard subject Maths, Board, Metric, chapter 3 Money. So in Money today we are going to see exercise 3.3. Solve these word sums. Deepak wants to buy a book which cost rupees 197 rupees 75 paise. He has only rupees 139 rupees with him. How much more money does he need to buy the book? So how much more money he needs? But he has only rupees 139 rupees. So what is the cost of the book? The cost of the book is 197 rupees 75 paise. So if you subtract 197 75 paise minus rupees 139, then you will get how much more money he needs to buy the book. So write solution. So Deepak wants to buy a book which cost rupees 197 rupees 75 paise. So you write first cost of a book. So what is the cost of a book, children? So cost of a book equal to 197 rupees 75 paise. Next one, how much he had? He had only 139 rupees. So amount or money he had. You can write money he had. So how much money he had? Only 139 rupees. So in paise you can write 00 because only 139 rupees they have given. So you can write in the paise 0. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Okay, so write subtraction symbol. So what is 5 minus 0? 5 minus 0 is 5. Next 7 minus 0 is 7. Then put the dot, that is decimal. Next, what is 7 minus 9? So this is smaller number. So we are going to borrow from 9. So 9 becomes 8. 7 becomes 17. So what is 17 minus 9, children? 17 minus 9 is 8. Next, 8 minus 3 is 5. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So write the rupee symbol. So you can write difference. So difference equal to rupees 58 rupees 75 paise. So answer, how much money Deepak needs? So Deepak needs rupees 58. Deepak needs rupees 58 rupees 75 paise more money to buy the book. So listen, children. So listen, Deepak wants to buy a book which costs rupees 197 rupees 75 paise. He has only 139 rupees with him. So how much more money he needs now? So you write cost of a book, then money he had. How much he had? 139 rupees. So if you subtract 197 75 paise minus 139, you will get how much more money he needs to buy the book. So how much more money he needs? So Deepak needs 58 rupees 75 paise to buy the book. So next one, Rajni bought the following items from a shop. So what she bought? Washing powder. So what is the cost of washing powder is 235 rupees 50 paise. Next, coffee for 142 rupees 80 paise. Next, sugar for 96 rupees 30 paise. How much did Rajni spend in all? If she gave rupees 500 to the shopkeeper, how much money will the shopkeeper return? So listen, children, first, so for this sum we are going to find out the total cost because They have asked Rajni spent in all. In all means we are going to add. So first we'll add, then after that if she gave rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. So 500 if she gave means we have to subtract this total, 500 minus this total, then we'll get the answer, that is how much more money the shopkeeper will return. So listen, write solution. Solution. So first we'll write cost of a washing powder. Cost of washing powder. So tell me what is the cost of washing powder? So cost of washing powder is rupees 235 rupees 50 paise. Next, cost of a coffee. Cost of a coffee. So what is the cost of a coffee is rupees 142 rupees 80 paise. Next, cost of a sugar. So you write cost of a sugar. So what is the cost of a sugar? Cost of a sugar is rupees 96 rupees 30 paise. So what we are going to do? We are going to add. So write plus symbol. So what is this? Total money she spent. So this is total money she spent. So what we are going to do? We are going to add and then find out. So what is 0 plus 0, children? 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. Next 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. So you write 6. Then 1 carry over. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next 8 plus 6 is 14. So write 4. Then 1 carry over. Next 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7. 1 carry over. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So write the rupee symbol. So how much amount she spent? So she spent. So you can write this is as step 1. So step 2. So total money she spent is 474 rupees 60 paise. How much she gave to the shopkeeper? So money she gave to the shopkeeper is, how much she gave? 500 rupees. So you write rupees 500. See, only 500 rupees. Here they didn't give paise. For paise you can write 00. Next, how much money she spent? So money she spent equal to, how much she spent to buy the things? 474 rupees 60 paise. So you write 474 rupees 60 paise. So we are going to subtract. Write subtraction symbol. So subtract now. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 0 minus 6 is, we are going to borrow. So here 5 becomes 4. It becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9. 9. Then 10. So what is 10 minus 6 is? 4. Then put the dot. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the answer? How much the shopkeeper will return? So money the shopkeeper return equal to, so how much the shopkeeper will return children? 25 rupees 40 paise. So you can write answer, Rajni spent, so Rajni spent, how much she spent? Rupees 474 rupees 60 paise. Next the shopkeeper will return, how much amount the shopkeeper will return? So the shopkeeper will return rupees 25 rupees 40 paise. So listen children, Rajni bought the following items, that is washing powder, coffee and sugar. So how much did Rajni spend in all means we are going to add. So if you add, how much amount she spent? 474 rupees 60 paise. Next, if she gave rupees 500 to the shopkeeper, so how much she gave to the shopkeeper? 500 rupees. So what is the cost of total she spent? Total money she spent is 474 rupees 60 paise. So if you subtract from this, then you will get the amount, that is return amount, how much she will get back? Rupees 25 rupees 40 paise. So Rajni spent rupees 474 rupees 60 paise. So the shopkeeper will return 25 rupees 40 paise. Next one, Sheila bought 5 meters of cloth. 5 meters of cloth for rupees 235 rupees 20 paise. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? If they ask 1 meter means we are going to divide. 1 means we have to divide. So write solution. Next you write cost of 5 meters of cloth. What is the cost of 5 meters of cloth? Cost of 5 meters of cloth equal to rupees 235 rupees 20 paise. So what we are going to find out? Cost of 1 meter cloth. So cost of 1 meter cloth equal to 1 meter of cloth equal to, we are going to divide 235 rupees 20 paise divided by 5. So they have given 5 meters of cloth amount, they are asking 1 meter of cloth. So if you divide 235 rupees 20 paise divided by 5, then you will get the answer. So listen, 235 rupees 20 paise divided by 5. So 5 is the divisor, 235.20 is the dividend. So if you divide, 2 is the less than the divisor. So we'll take 23. How many times children in 5 table? 5 fours are 20. So subtract, 3 minus 0 is 3, then 2 minus 2 is 0. Next we'll carry 5. So 35 how many times children? 5 sevens are 35. So 35 minus 35 is 0. Next we'll carry 2. So 2 will be divisible? No, it is less than the divisor. So it will not divisible. So you can write 0. 5 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Next we'll carry 0. So 20 how many times children in 5 table? 5 fours are 20. So what is 20 minus 20 is? 20 minus 20 is 0. So listen, how many decimal places here? 2 decimal places. So from the back you leave 2 digit, 1, 2. So here quotient is 47.04. Remainder is 0. So what is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? You should write rupees. Okay. So answer, the cost of the cost of 1 meter of cloth equal to rupees 47 rupees 4 paise. 47 rupees 4 paise. So listen children now. Sheila bought 5 meters of cloth, rupees 235 rupees 20 paise. What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? So you have to write cost of 5 meter of cloth. So cost of 1 meter of cloth, how will you find out? So if you divide 235 rupees 20 paise divided by 5, then you will get the answer, that is cost of 1 meter of cloth. Next one, a bar of chocolate cost rupees 15 rupees 25 paise. How much money will Aman get back if he buys 3 bars of chocolate and gives a 100 rupees note? So they have given cost of 1 chocolate. So if he buys 3 bars of chocolate, if he have given 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper, then how much he will get back from the shopkeeper? So listen, write solution. Write solution. So for this one we are going to write in 2 steps. So write step 1. So what is the cost of 1 chocolate they have given? So cost of 1 chocolate equal to, so tell me what is the cost of 1 chocolate is? Rupees 15 rupees 25 paise. Next, cost of 3 chocolates. So 1 chocolate they have given, we are going to find out 3 chocolates, means we are going to multiply. If many means we have to multiply, if they are asking 1 means we have to divide. So they are asking 3 bars of chocolate, means we have to multiply with 15 rupees 25 paise. So cost of 3 chocolates equal to rupees 15 rupees 25 paise multiplied by 3. So we are going to multiply by 3. So if you multiply 15 rupees 25 paise by 3. So listen children, 3 5s are 15. So 5, 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, then put the dot, then 3 5s are 15. So 5, 1 carry over, then 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So write the rupees symbol. So tell me the answer. What is the cost of 3 chocolates is 45 rupees 75 paise. So cost of 3 chocolates equal to, cost of 3 chocolates equal to rupees 45 rupees 75 paise. So what we have to find out? So how much you have given? So listen, how much he has given? He has given rupees 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper. Okay. So how much he will get back, they are asking. So listen. Step 2. So money he gave to the shopkeeper equal to so how much he has given to the shopkeeper? Rupees 100. So paise you can write 0 0. Next, what is the cost of 3 chocolates? Cost of 3 chocolates equal to rupees 45 rupees 75 paise. So we are going to subtract and then find out the answer. So how much he will get back from the shopkeeper? So what is 0 minus 5? So we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from the before number. So from 1 we can borrow, so 1 becomes 0, it becomes 10. Again if you are borrowing, it becomes 9, 9, 9, then 10. So what is 10 minus 5 is? 10 minus 5 is 5, then 9 minus 7 is 2, 2, so put the dot, Next 9 minus 5 is 4. Next 9 minus 4 is 5. So what is the answer, children? So money he get back. So money he get back equal to rupees 54 rupees 25 paise. So listen. So Aman get back rupees. So Aman get back rupees 54 rupees 25 paise. So listen children, a bar of chocolate cost rupees 15 rupees 25 paise. How much money will Aman get back if he buys 3 bars of chocolates and gives a 100 rupees note? So in step 1 we have to find out the cost of 1 chocolate they have given, then cost of 3 chocolates we have to find out. So how will you find out cost of 3 chocolates? If you multiply with 15 rupees 25 paise, you will get the cost of 3 chocolate. Then in step 2, how much money he has given to the shopkeeper? Rupees 100. Next, what is the cost of 3 chocolates? 45 rupees 75 paise. So if you subtract from 100, you will get the amount, that is how much the shopkeeper will give, that is money Aman will get back. So how much Aman will get back? Rupees 54 rupees 25 paise. So we have completed exercise 3.3, money chapter also we have completed. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.